And Sacred Heart Mukumu Girls High School, which suffered a disease outbreak that killed 3 students and a teacher in April, reopened today. The school will, however, admit students in phases, starting with Form 4s who reported to the school. The students are required to undergo mandatory medical tests before being readmitted into the school, as Lilian Muli reports.
Monday, 8th of May 2023, some Form 4 students and their parents stream into Mukumu Girls High School. It's been a month since the school was closed down by the government after a bacterial infection where hundreds of students were taken ill. 3 students and a dorm mistress died from the infection.
When they went home for half-term, my daughter arrived when she was not feeling well.
We were told it was a food poisoning issue and the water.
Nimefurahia kuleta mwanafunzi wangu au class form 4. Mambo yenye litendeka tumeachana na hiyo.
The Kenya Medical Research Institute, after taking tests on samples, found that the infection that claimed the lives of the victims was linked to enterotoxic E. coli and Salmonella typhi. Salmonella typhi is the bacteria that causes typhoid fever and is spread through sewage contamination of food or water and through person-to-person contact. Form 4s that reported to school on Monday were required to submit medical reports to medical officers at the school.
In school, we have the psychosocial counselors who are dealing with the issues. Maybe if a student feels she needs to be counseled, she goes there. We also have medics who are around to check their medical documents. So before they are reporting back, we had requested their parents that they should take them to hospital so that they are checked.
However, not all the Form 4 students reported back to school. Out of the 462 candidates, only 350 turned up. A section of parents said their children were still expressing fears of going back to the school.
We still have those who have come to clear. So up to now, I may not know the number that will transfer. But so far today, I've signed around 4 for those transferring. But we've not had any candidate transferring. We only have Form 1 and 2 who are transferring.
Form 3s will resume school on Tuesday, Form 2s on Thursday, and Form 1s on Friday. The school principal assuring parents that safety measures have been put in place.
The spring was ceased. It was discontinued. So we are not receiving any water from any other source. The only water we are receiving in school now is from the Lake Victoria. Yes, the North Lake Victoria, the suppliers of the water for the Kakamega County.
The school is in the process of acquiring new food stocks after the previous stock of maize, beans and rice was destroyed in Bamburi, Mombasa County last week.
We've gone in for new cereals and already today we've received the beans. We have the public health officers around. They want to ascertain that the beans that has come in school is okay. Tomorrow we'll be receiving the maize. So, and the same public health people will be around to ascertain that the maize is safe.
The Mukumu Girls' health crisis led to the transfer of former principal Frida Ndolo and the dissolution of the board of management. Lilian Muli, Citizen